The topic of this video is composing functions. This is a continuation of the previous video. Alright, so let's solve this final part, f composed with f of x. First we rewrite using the definition, and we get f of x. We notice that there is a variable here, which means we want to work from the outside in. The outside function is f. So we go to the right-hand side of function f, and we write it, but everywhere we see x, we put f of x instead. So we get 5f of x squared minus 4. Now substitute. What does f of x equal? Well, it equals 5x squared minus 4. So we get 5x squared minus 4 squared minus 4. Notice that this function is inside of itself. Now we begin to simplify. An exponent tells me how many times to multiply a base by itself. So I need to do 5x squared minus 4 times itself. I'll use FOIL to achieve this. So that and that and that and that will all be multiplied. So I'll have 5 times. I'm going to put some brackets around this because order of operations tells me that I should do that first. 5x squared times 5x squared is 25x to the 4th. 5x squared times subtract 4 makes subtract 20x squared. Subtract 4 times 5x squared makes subtract 20x squared. Subtract 4 times subtract 4 makes add 16. Next, combine the like terms. 25x to the 4th minus 40x squared plus 16. Next, distribute the 5 to all 3 terms in the brackets. And we get 125x to the 4th minus 200x squared plus 80, subtract 4. Then finally, combine your like terms. 125x to the 4th minus 200x squared plus 76. And this is our final answer for this problem. This one had a lot more algebra in it when compared to the other two problems, which is something that you should expect when you compose a function that has 2 terms with itself.